And now news from Tamil Nadu, where in Tamil Nadu, in fact, the lockdown has now been extended by another week, but additional relaxations have been announced in few districts. So certain districts have been classified under 3 categories, and depending on the caseload in the various districts, they will be allowed restrictions depending on that. Mugilan joining us for more details here. Mugilan, what can you tell us about this entire process that Tamil Nadu is using to open up, obviously being extremely cautious given what's happened in the past in the state?
Definitely, as we have seen in last 1 month, the cases have started coming down. Now in Tamil Nadu, less than 8,000 cases are being reported. Particularly in Chennai, the numbers have gone well below 500, but still there are 11 districts which record close to 1,000 cases every single day. So now government are simultaneously giving additional relaxations also and extending the lockdown. And today, once again, the government have extended the lockdown till 28th of June and have given additional relaxations to few particular districts. That is, now the Tamil Nadu state government have divided the districts into 3 categories. That is, in the first category, the 11 districts, as I said earlier, which contribute maximum number of cases, which have the positivity rate more than 10%. There is no fresh relaxations has been given by the Tamil Nadu state government. To the second category, which has a positivity rate less than 10%. Few relaxations have been given, that is including the provision stores or vegetable, grocery, meat, fish, flowers. All these shops can be kept open till 7 p.m. because earlier it was 5 p.m. Now it has been extended till 7 p.m. So several relaxations have been given to these districts. And in the category 3, which includes Chennai and the neighboring district, Kanjipuram, Chengalpet, Chennai and Tiruvallur. So in these districts, the positivity rates have come below 5%. So extended relaxations has been given in these 5 districts. In Chennai, as far as Chennai is concerned, all the essential services and the shops which sell essential commodities can be kept open till 9 p.m. And more importantly, now the public transport also has been allowed with 50% of the seating capacity. And now metro also allowed with 50% of the actual capacity. And as far as the private companies are concerned, now here in Chennai, more than 50%. The private companies can now function with 50% of the workforce, and other government officials also, officers which comes under the essential services can function with 100% of the workforce, and the other departments can function with 50%. So now, according to the positivity rate in a district, now the government have announced relaxations, and it comes to force from tomorrow morning.
All right, Mugilan, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. So that's as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned and how they are going about unlocking.